Hello, people. How are you doing today? Today, I'm gonna do a quick video on Titan Attack. So we have a green three-star Emerald Dragon, and I've got three flags to use. So I'm gonna use all three of them in this video. It's gonna be hopefully a very short video, not too long. Uh, so let's just put up our team. So it's a green Emerald. So fire element is strong against green. So we're gonna take Yang Mai, who's our sniper. Then Sir Lancelot. Then Gormick, Wilbur, and we can take Hawkmoon. Yeah. So she's gonna give a bit of life and a bit of attack boost. Yeah. Then Wilbur is gonna share receive damage and give a really good 63% defense to all allies, and all enemies will get minus 44% defense for 4 turns. That's really good. Then we got a regular defense as well here with Gormek. And then Sir Lancelot actually gives attack up as well for himself and allies. And then it's also mana gen, basically 24% mana generation for 4 turns. So it's really a good team. I mean, that's for now. And let's get to it. So attack up, defense down. So 55,954. That's the score for the first attack. Pretty good. So we're gonna do the second one and the third one. So one thing I forgot to mention was that Yang Mai, the new hero of the month, last month she was the new hero of the month. She gives all fire allies. She's got really good element link, which gives all fire allies a small amount of mana at the end of turn for 4 turns, and this effect can't be dispelled. So she keeps on giving mana as well to all the allies. Sir Lancelot also gives mana. So it's a pretty rounded team. The only thing I would need here is an elemental defensive down. So which I'm working on right now. So yeah, so let's do the second one now. So 41,581. It's 46,096. So the total of 3 attacks was 143,641. It's a pretty good score for 3 flags. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.